Director of S.P.R.E.P, Sefanaya, Nawanda, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Government of Samoa and the Samoa Outrigger Canoe Association, SOCA, I'd like to extend a warm thanks and gratitude to the S.P.R.E.P, specifically the Pacific Ocean Litter Project for what I understand is a donation to help facilitate the aim of this the games, which is to have a green games by your support of having providing in support of the single plastic use program that, as I understand, is donating water to be for the games and also water bottles. By doing this, it allows all the participants and those around the place that will be here for the event to not use plastic bottles, but to use the aluminum can bottles, and also having the drink coolers around that they will use. This is a greater extension of the importance of the ocean. As we all know, the ocean is the recipient of all the land-based pollution, which includes plastic and all other things, but it also the biggest dumping ground of all the plastics. And as we've seen everywhere, those that are most affected are marine life. You've seen turtles and all the other fish, the corals. These are all affected by single-use plastic. But it also, from a tourism standpoint, as we strive to promote sustainable tourism, the litter associated with single-use plastic affects our beaches, but it also affects our corals and the growth of our corals. So this support also provides, as we have more tourists, and specifically for this event, as a outrigger canoe paddling, ocean is important to it. So having the event, having the support of this program provides a good platform as well for our people and our visitors to know that there is support in eliminating single-use plastic and all other litter that we have. I also want to acknowledge the Samoa Outrigger Canoe Association for providing the opportunity to bring close to 3,000 visitors to our shores for this event, and we want to utilize this opportunity to not only showcase the ability of Samoa to host big events like this, but also to promote tourism. And having said that, one of my personal aims for this event is, as I said, Green Games, is to work with SOCA and with S.P.R.E.P, as well as the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources and Samoa Tourism Authority, to promote as a zero carbon neutral event. And by this, we want to work at ensuring that all visitors who will be coming to Samoa will get an opportunity to plant trees as part of their carbon offset for all the travels that they come here. Not only will it provide another good platform for us in promoting the impacts of climate change, but also ensuring that our replanting program around Samoa is expanded. And with these, I want to again extend our sincere appreciation to S.P.R.E.P and specifically the P.O.L.P for this event. And we look forward to many events that we continue to work together with S.P.R.E.P. Being based in Samoa, we acknowledge all the events and the support that S.P.R.E.P is providing to support our efforts as a country, as a region, and we look forward to many events like this in the future. And also a well wish for not only the organizing team for the IVF World Distance Championship, but also to the Samoa paddlers. Manuia.